Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your thermostat. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and allow for safe coolant handling. Gather your tools, including a 10mm socket or wrench, hose clamp pliers, and a pry tool. Next, place a drain pan under the radiator and open the drain plug to release some coolant. Now, locate the thermostat housing, typically found where the lower radiator hose connects to the engine on the driver's side. Use your 10mm wrench or socket to remove the 2 or 3 bolts holding the housing in place. Be prepared for some coolant to spill. Carefully pry off the housing and remove the old thermostat, noting its orientation. Before installing the new thermostat, thoroughly clean the mating surfaces on both the engine and the housing to ensure a proper seal. Install the new thermostat with a fresh gasket, making sure the jiggle valve is positioned correctly, usually facing upwards. Reattach the housing, tightening the bolts to specification. Finally, reconnect the lower radiator hose and begin refilling the cooling system with the appropriate coolant. After refilling, it's crucial to bleed any air from the cooling system. You can do this by running the engine with the heater on high, squeezing the upper radiator hose, and adding coolant as needed until no more bubbles appear. Monitor your temperature gauge closely during a test drive to ensure the engine reaches and maintains normal operating temperature without overheating. Also, check for any leaks around the new thermostat housing. Once everything is secure, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.